Hey, it's Kari with Kari Cultural Studios. I'm in my studio and I'm trying to get a little more surfaces prepped for some fun crafting that I'm going to do. So I have the frame that I've already done, and I love the stain color, and I have our Rescue and Restore paint and our gel stain, and I'm just erasing the chalk art. And all I'm doing is I'm taking a pretty used magic eraser, because I use these all the time in my custom painting for getting paint off the wall, and it's moistened, and I'm just going to go ahead and take off all this chalk art, so then I have a clean surface to do another project. And I have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I'll share that with you later, and then I'm going to gift it to a new store in town and see if she wants to take some orders off of it, and I'll make some more for her. So that's all I do, a magic eraser. Get my chalk art off, my chalk art off, and I just love succulents right now too, so there's something coming with the succulents. And then I have some more little onesies over there that I'm going to play with, and then another project down at the end that I'm going to get to too. But first I got to go paint for my clients. Peace out.